call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Alright, y'all, welcome back. It's dinner time once again. Who knew we had to eat? So tonight we're gonna make a super easy chicken and broccoli Tikka Masala because we got the jar sauce. And we're just gonna put that on top of some of this BBO cooked sticky rice. It's really good. We get it from Costco. Alright, so let's get to work. Alright, so we got our chicken in our pan that we coated with our canola oil spray. And we're gonna put some Himalayan pink salt up in there. And then the trinity of seasonings, in my opinion, that I try to put in everything just because they're healthy. Some turmeric. And some oregano. While this is gone, I put some of that broccoli up in that microwave, steam away for a minute. And then some black pepper. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of pepper. For me, anyway. Lots of pepper. And keep cooking this, and then add our broccoli once this chicken starts to brown up. Okay. Alright, so our chicken's all cooked up. Now we're going to add our broccoli, which I just threw in the microwave to steam. Mix that in. I'm going to add this sauce. This is the Mario, I don't know how to say that. You can read it. Anyway, maybe you can read it. It's Tikka Masala sauce. There you go. That's all you need to know. You're fine. Pour that in there. Alright, now we're going to turn this down to low. Stir this in. Alright, now we're going to cover this and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay? Alright, here we go, folks. There's tonight's meal prep, weight loss, Weight Watcher dinner for two. Tonight's going to be 17 points because we are using the yummy sticky rice, yeah. But tomorrow we're going to use the cauliflower rice, so it will only be 7 points. So yeah, hope you guys get out and make something yummy. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go enjoy some yummy food, folks. See you later. Bye-bye.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never